This video is going to show you how to reset the MetaQuest 2. This is always good to do if you're selling the item and you want to remove your personal information, or if there's an issue with your headset and you want to see if it fixes the issue, either software or hardware. So first thing you do is you turn it off. Once it's off, you hold in the volume down button and the power button. Usually this will take maybe between 5 and 10 seconds. Now once that's complete, you should be wearing it. You'll be able to see a boot screen. This is the example here. And then in the boot screen, you would select to reset the device. And once it gets to the boot screen, to select the options, you move the arrows up and down, as in the volume plus and minus will move the cursor up and down, and the power button will select which one you want to choose. Once it's reset, you'll just set it up as you would normally if you got it straight from the factory or out of the box. Well, hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.